Hello, Namaste to all. I Sangeeta Patel welcome you all to Om Divine Healing channel, and today I am going to do a card reading for this whole week, which is going from Monday till Sunday. So I have already did my prayers, put the intentions, and I have already picked out the card from two decks. And the two decks which I am going to use is, the first one is the Wisdom of Oracle card, and the second one is Everyday Peace card. And so I will start reading from the first deck, and the first card is Exchanging Gifts. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is essential meaning: the law of giving and receiving, currency, trade-offs, weighing cost and determining value. The message: you are entering into a productive and enriching time when all manners of opportunities are being offered to you. You have everything you need to seize them, yet in order to honor them, you must put in the time. Exchange your experience and skill, and commit heart and soul to what you are choosing to pursue. You can do it. You have what it takes to be successful if you align with the law of giving and receiving. You must engage in a dance of giving and take, push and pull, doing and being. If you let fear guide your choices, you could deplete yourself or create an imbalance. This is not a time of just do. Use your currency wisely and be mindful of the value others bring to your life. Relationship message: love is an exchange of life force energy between two beings. It grows exponentially when it's reciprocated. You must give and receive in order for love to flourish and abundance to flow between you. Spirit wants you to start accepting all the blessings waiting for you, as well as offer the same gifts in return. Open your heart and allow it to be fulfilled. Let love in and let it flow out of you too. Love is truly yours today. Prosperity message: all your hard work and efforts, your commitment to learning, creating and spending your time wisely pay off in ways you may not have been anticipating. The gift of yourself, your time, your ideas and the energy, your intentions are being reciprocated by the universe, which is sending you signs and signals, aligning synchronicities, meeting and opportunities to bring you success and more. Everything is an exchange. Keep doing what you are doing. Goodwill comes back tenfold. Protecting message: be careful what you pray for, because you just might get it and then realize you don't want to face the hefty price tag that comes with you. You may find yourself in a situation you have always desired, but know you will have to walk away from or even fall at it because you can't or won't pay the dues it asks for you. If you want to be a famous musician, you have to practice your craft every day. If you want to be a millionaire, you have to be responsible of managing the money and paying the taxes. Even a windfall bears a cost. It's okay though, because spirit will help you achieve balance over time. Another message here reminds you that being only the giver and not the receiver plays out in many relationships in your life, where you find yourself in victim mode, in a codependent dynamic, or holding on to a false sense of control. Others may push you to continue to prove yourself. The time has come to distance yourself from this kind of imbalance. Be aware of the need for both give and take is the first step to your true destiny. It's all good and getting better. Not only can you handle this, but you can flourish as a result of it. Another card. Happy. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is joy and contentment, a sense of fulfillment, a feeling that all is well. The message: your desires are effortless. Fulfill now. Find joy in the present moment, whether it's happening, and be satisfied with things as they are. You are free from the cycles of longing and able to experience the liberation that comes from actually being happy moment to moment. For you have chosen happiness over yearning for it. Now is the time for feeling joy for the sake of joy and experiencing contentment. Now of this is because of something outside yourself. Your happiness is a result of your being at one with Spirit's plan for your life. All is well. The tide is in for now. Enjoy playful splashing in it. Relationship message: there are moments in a relationship when you just feel good about whom you are with, and you know that your heart is wide open to befriend, to love and to care for another without wanting anything in return. This is a kind of happy that you just want to share. The appearance of this card in reading tells you that joy and contentment are here now, not somewhere else or off in the future. The grass is greenest right where you stand. Be grateful and delight in your relationship, and if you are seeking one, be happy now. Happiness attracts more of itself like bees to honey. Prosperity message. This is a time to take pride in your accomplishments. You are doing good work, providing exceptional service, and are well compensated for it. The world rains gratitude open, and you are happy with the result of your efforts and creativity. Isn't it amazing to consider all that you have done? Remember your partnership with Spirit in this moment too. Your soul has always known you could accomplish anything if it brought you joy. Protection message. Lighten up, because this is the time to be ridiculous and silly. See the world through the eyes of clown, and don't take yourself or any situation right now too seriously. Have fun, be playful, and make laughter the order of the day. You will be surprised by how everything just seems to fall into place when humor leads the way. Being happy and lighthearted is a wonderful icebreaker. Life is meant for play as well as work, for laughter as well as tears, for celebrations as well as focus. Spirit wants to sparkle through you today. Smile and enjoy each breath and each moment. Miracles lie in the silly things today. Another card. Community. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is meaning: belonging, being seen and understood by others, like-minded connections, a sense of family and friendship, knowing a place in the world. The message. This card signals a new affiliation with a group. Humans are social creatures, and we need to know we are useful to our families and communities. In a community, everyone has an important function and feel I matter. Membership in the group provides a sense of belonging, the kindship and of purpose that comes from working together for the greater fulfillment of all. Perhaps you are part of a spiritual community or an artistic one. Perhaps you are in a learning community where you share your love of education. Regardless of its forms or focus, your community brings you joy. You will be inspired by it and want to contribute to it. Your contribution may be as small as showing up or as large as becoming its leader. No matter your position in the group, your presence is needed. Relationship message. You are discovering the essential quality that you share with another, and perhaps also those you don't share. There are times when you follow and the other people leads, and times when you lead and other follows. The appearance of this card points to the importance of learning the proper dance to between you and another, accepting the truth that everyone has flaws in a part of that dance. Yet you are also being asked to be aware of dynamics that you don't want to repeat. You are in a perfect place to make changes in order to experience the best version of who you can be together. Prosperity message. Whenever you are in a community of like-minded others, there is a powerful opportunity to reap great abundance. It's essential to ask, what can I contribute, rather than what can I get from this. Figure out a need and look to fill it. Something meaningful will manifest. Even if what manifests is small, it is a sign that the doors of opportunity will swing upon wider. There is another meaning of this card to consider. Don't try to be all things to all people. Choose your role and be true to it, and serve from the sense of authenticity. There is no greater feeling of accomplishment than knowing you have purpose. Protection message. Be aware of compromising your integrity in order to belong. How do you dim your light or change yourself so others will accept you in the group? Do you hide who you really are in order to play a role within the larger whole? This will never fulfill you. Now is the time to access your willing to be real. Stand tall, be you. Authenticity is a true self expressions and the only way to empower yourself. Don't be afraid to be yourself and step into the role your heart tells you to take, making yourself small bears too high a cost. Last but not the least, to the sea. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is meaning: being in flow, returning to source, recognizing how pieces fit together, a natural pattern of events. The message: isn't it wonderful when you feel yourself in the flow of life, when events and conditions seems to engage you? in a way that is fluid and effortless. This card reminds you that going with the flow is exactly what you need to do right now. Ride the wave of opportunity formed by perfect conditions. Allow trust and faith to guide you forward as you flow like a river into the sea of life. Relationship message: there are points in relationship when you have to decide to go with the flow rather than dedicate the course you share with another. Can you let go of the need you have things your way and allow the relationship itself, your combined goals and desire, to steer the ship? Can you both transcend your personalities and allow the partnership to form its own identity, its own energy? Now is the time to relax and see where this mutual journey leads. Prosperity message: everything seems to work out when you stop scrambling and allow the sea of opportunities to wash over you and wake you up to your most prosperous potential. To get into that flow, you need to address your beliefs about abundance and money. The true meaning of your personal currency lies in your skills, your talents, and abilities, and most important, your core belief. Everything flows from your inner world and is reflected in the outer one. When grateful to serve, you align your prosperity consciousness with a higher consciousness. You can expect miracles. Everything you need will come to you easily. Protection message: when external conditions appear to block every attempt to move forward, there is no hidden message for you to despair. Like the ocean, the tides of experience ebb the flow. You are in natural cycle, so know that things will flow again in due course. There is no cause for alarm. Stop resisting and fighting against the situation and learn to flow even when the tide is going out. Relax and trust in abundance that will soon be within your reach again. An ancient manners saying apply to you now. When fishermen cannot go to sea, they stay home and repair their nets. Now I will start reading cards from second deck, and the first is: you are safe now. All kinds of desire are the continuations of your original desire to be safe. The little child in us continues to worry and be fearful in the present moment. There is no problem, no threat. If we don't have a problem in the present moment, it means we don't have a problem. Why continue to worry and be fearful? What have you transmit that wisdom to the inner child? We need to let the child within us know that he or she no longer has to be afraid. Another card: look into your perception. Our perceptions are often inaccurate and cause us to suffer. For example, we may think if someone's intention to cause us harm, when in truth they are acting from their own suffering and not thinking of us at all. If we look deeply, we can see the true nature of everything and go beyond inaccurate perception. Looking deeply means observing something or someone with so much concentration that the distinctions between observer and the observed disappear, and we see that all things are unrelated. Another card: Nirvana is now. Nirvana is the ultimate dimension of life, a state of coolness, peace, and joy. It is not a state to be attained after you die. You can touch Nirvana right now by breathing, walking, and drinking your tea in mindfulness. Nirvana has always been there. Everything and everyone is dwelling in Nirvana. Another card: the most wonderful moment of your life. You can make this most magnificent and wonderful moment of your life. The present moment must become the most wonderful moment in your life. All you need to transform this present moment into wonderful one is freedom. All you need to do is free yourself from your worries and preoccupations about the past, the future, and so on. Another card: treat yourself with great tenderness. You don't have to struggle against a desire. There is no need for a battle within you. Mindfulness is something that embraces and includes emotions like desire and recognize them with great tenderness. Meditation is not about turning yourself into a battlefield where one side fights the other, because the basics of Buddhist meditation is non-duality. The habit of drinking alcohol or getting angry are also you, and therefore you must treat them with great tenderness and non-violence. The essential point is not to create conflict or fight within yourself. Last but not the least, training for happiness. Little by little, you can train yourself for life of happiness. You may have received a school degree that you spent years working for, and you thought that happiness would be possible after you got it. But that was not true, because after getting the degree and finding a job, you continue to suffer. Happiness is not something you find at the end of the road. You have to understand that is here now. So this was the card reading for this whole week. I hope you guys like it. Thank you all of you for coming and watching this video. I want to say thanks to all the people who have subscribed to my channel, people who are helping me to make this video, and people who are inspiring to make this video. Thank you all of you. So till I see you next time, I Sangeeta Patel. Take care, live, source of love, light and angel blessings. Namaste.